Hi, my name is Shanda, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a chain in crochet. We're going to start with a slip knot. If you need a tutorial on how to make one, then I have one up on my channel to teach you. You should check it out. This is the tail of the yarn. We're going to work with the working yarn. That's the one that's attached to the yarn ball. So not this one, but the other side here. Put your slip knot on your hook, and then you're going to pull it a little bit tighter, but not too tight. Yarn over and pull that first loop through the second loop like so. Doing this creates a sort of V shape there. That's the first link of your chain. And now we're just going to continue those steps over and over. We'll do 5 links together. You're going to yarn over, pull it through your loop, and then you'll have 2 V's. That's 2 chains. You're going to yarn over again, pull through, and now you have 3 V's. That's 3 chains. You can continue like this for however many that you need for your desired length. So yarn over, pull through. That's 4 links on the chain now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over again, pull through, and now we have 5 links on the chain. 5 V's. So now you did it. That is how you make a basic chain. Good job, guys. You did great.